So Samsung just announced their new S22 series of devices, and we got the S22 and the S22 Plus looking a lot like, the Galaxy S21 series, just kind of with that whole camera setup in the back. But then we get to the S22 Ultra, which is the one I'm most interested in out of all three. And that one's kind of looking like we got, the S21 Ultra and the Note 20 Ultra, but like they came together and had a baby and came out with, the Note 22 Ultra or Galaxy S22 Ultra, but it's a Note device. I'm not gonna call it an S22 Ultra because it's a Note. I mean, it looks like a Note, it feels like a Note, it's shaped like a Note, it comes with an S Pen, and yeah, it's a Note device. But it's got me really excited because we have been waiting for a new Note since the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, which has been out for about a year and a half now, if I'm not mistaken. We're almost, in August time, it will be 2 years. So yeah, it's been quite a while. We didn't get a Note device last year, which I was pretty bummed out about because I am a huge Galaxy Note fan. And one huge reason is because, the S Pen that comes with these Note devices. So now we got, the Galaxy Note 22, oh my gosh, I keep saying that, the S22 Ultra, but yeah, it's a Note, and this isn't the real phone. It's a dummy device, but just to give you an idea of what it looks like. But yes, the Unpacked event was today. Just giving it all away, telling us what's up with this new device right here. It's gonna come with a beautiful 6.8-inch 1440p display, and Samsung's always bringing the best displays when it comes to their devices. So you can already expect something great from them when it comes to the display on the S22 Ultra. And then of course we do get that 120 Hz display. It is an adaptive display, which can get you all the way down to 1 Hz, if 120 Hz is not needed, or if 60 Hz is not needed, which is going to help save battery at times as well. So it's not, constantly running that 120 Hz. Although I'm sure there will be an option somewhere, maybe in developer options, to be able to push that 120 Hz full time, although it's not really needed. We get the new Snapdragon Gen 1. We also get 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage on the base model, and we can get all the way up to 1 TB of internal storage with 12 GB of RAM. That's a lot of storage for a device, and I'm kind of bummed out, because with the Note 20 Ultra right here, we got a SIM card slot. I mean, SD card slot, my bad. An SD card slot, which gives us the opportunity to expand the storage if we want to. We're not forced to buy that higher storage device, which of course, is going to be a lot more expensive. All we got to do is just throw an SD card in there and we're good to go. We got more storage. Well, with the new S22 Ultra series, unfortunately, it is not coming with an SD card slot. So we're kind of forced to buy the more expensive device if you do want more storage. I don't know, I'm kind of bummed out about that. I personally use the SD card slot on my Note 20 Ultra. So yeah, when I heard they're not putting it in this phone right here, I'm a little bummed. But other things included in the S22 Ultra, we get a 5,000 milliamp battery, which I feel is big enough. Hopefully it'll be optimized enough to where, the phone's not dying too fast by the end of the day. You already know I'm gonna have one of my all-day battery drain tests coming with that device, where I wake up early in the morning, show that it's at 100%, what my settings are and all that, use it throughout the day, keep you guys updated every couple of hours throughout my day, and then see where we're at by the end of the day. We'll see if it can make us late into the night based off of my personal usage. So I'm hoping 5,000 milliamp will be it should be enough. It should be enough. And then of course we got the 4 camera setup in the back. We got the main 108 megapixel camera. We got an ultra wide angle camera, a 3x telephoto lens, a 10x telephoto lens. So definitely a lot going on here. And the cameras are supposed to be greatly improved, coming from both the Note 20 Ultra and the S21 Ultra. It seems like Samsung has done a lot to really improve these cameras to give us better photos, not only in the daytime, but the nighttime as well. And not only photos, but video. You already know video, well, for those of you who have been following the channel for quite some time now, video is a huge deal to me because I still personally use my smartphone to record a lot of the videos here on this channel, whether it's for the main A-roll footage or to record some B-roll footage. Smartphones still play a big role when it comes to recording footage for the channel here. So yeah, I'm really excited to check out the cameras on this, well, not this device. Like I said, it's just a dummy device, but once I get the real device in hand, really excited to check out those cameras. You already know there's gonna be some video comparisons coming, some camera comparisons coming, and a whole camera review. So really excited for that. And they got this new thing called Nighttography, which is really going to help with those night photos and give you a real clean shot without too much blurriness going on, and that, you know, sometimes the lights just kind of flare out at you and mess up your photos. So this Nighttography mode should really help out with those, you know, night photos. Not only night photos, but night video as well. So really curious to try that out. I mean, these cameras are supposed to be beasts, and even with the selfie camera as well. Now this year they are giving us the Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, which is supposed to be better than the original Gorilla Glass Victus. So it's just bringing us a little bit more durability when it comes to the overall build of the S22 Ultra. Now, if you drop your phone on a rock or something, you know, I can't guarantee you that, you know, your phone's not gonna break. I mean, because glass is still glass, it's gonna break. But, you know, if you have a light fall or, you know, maybe even a heavy fall, it might protect it from that. It should protect it from, you know, light scratches and stuff as well. I don't know, we're gonna have to wait and see. We'll test out the durability. Now, one very important thing about this phone right here that makes it a Note device, even though it's the S22 Ultra, is that it comes with an S Pen. And when you think S Pen, you think Galaxy Note device, right? I mean, because that's the only device where an S Pen comes with, you know, aside from the tablets. So yeah, like I said, this is a Note. It comes with the S Pen and all the features that were offered with the Galaxy, you know, Note 20 Ultra, and it's supposed to be a lot better as well. And when you're writing on it, it kind of predicts where you're going, so it gives you a nice, you know, a nice clean write, I guess you would say. I don't know. I'm a sloppy writer. Hopefully it'll help me write better. But it's supposed to have some good features, so really excited to check that out as well. Pre-orders do start today, February 9th. If you use my special link down in the description below, you will get an extra $50 off of your pre-order if you happen to miss you know, the reservations, which also gave you that $50. Right now that is not available anymore, but if you use my special link, that will still give you that $50 off. The price does start at $11.99 for the base model. Y'all let me know what you think about that price down in the comments sections below. And let me know what you think about, you know, the overall Galaxy S22 Ultra down in the comments as well. What do you think? Is it a phone that you've been looking forward to? Do you see yourself getting it, pre-ordering it? They got a lot of cool colors available this year, which I'm super excited about. I don't know, I kind of have my eye on that burgundy one. You know, I want to try something a little different. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see which one I get. But yes, pre-orders do start today. I'll have a link down in the description below, as well as the pinned comment in this video as well. But y'all let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Thank y'all so very much for watching. Woo! The Galaxy Note 22. Oh my gosh, I keep saying that. It's an S22 Ultra. Don't make that mistake like me. Thanks for watching. I will see you all on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos I got coming. For the S22 Ultra, you're not gonna wanna miss out. We got a lot of good content coming. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.